What's up, OMG Nation? Today, I'm at the horsepower event at Moonshine Harley Davidson. They know a lot more stuff. Actually, I don't know anything about horsepower. I just put the key in and go.
Yeah, we discovered that this made more power, so we started getting all of them that way. They kept shipping them to us, and I think with the knowledge we were sharing with them, they made it an option. Most customers are going to throw this in the garbage, though, because they're like, I'd rather it sound good than gain 3 or 4 foot-pounds of torque. And we understand that, so we give you both options, see which one you want, because sometimes it sounds better than 3 more foot-pounds of torque. Sometimes it's not. It just depends on who you are. So both of those mufflers set up so we have great dynos with the S&S, with the Chromeworks on them. They work great, either one. Same motor we started on the dyno that was aggressive. This is what we would run as our sleeper exhaust. This is a popular setup we do because this setup is a great setup with stock heads and a stock throttle body. And if you want to put heads and a throttle body on it later, it increases. So we looked at it earlier. Heads and a throttle body on this motor makes about 9 horsepower more, and it did about 7 or 8 foot-pounds more torque. So this is a great setup where if you're like, hey, let me build the bottom, get everything done, you build it so it's everything from here down is built. And then when you want to come back and add heads, this cam works perfect both ways. And if someone's interested in building a 128 like this, we can show it. This build, intake, exhaust, tuner, everything is right around 80. It's between 8 to 8,600 depending on your exhaust choice. And that includes everything. That's taking a stock bike, doing an intake, exhaust. This one's a little more because do we have to do valve springs?
Yeah, on the 521.
It's a little bit more on this motor than valve springs. The 8000 to 85 is typically a 475 cam. This one, the only difference is we're buying valve springs for it.
That's ridiculous.
So stock motor D&D, middle of the road D&D, and then we'll take you to a little bigger motor setup with a louder D&D that's in that back room right there. So this one has a bigger motor, but this one has a bigger D&D on it. But this cam's, it's a lot bigger than those two cams, so the sound for this one.
The cam is different on it.
114 stock motor,
Yeah.
117 with our cam in it.
Okay.
This is a 128 with one of our cams in it.
Okay.
That is sick.
Whenever you start them, we want
That is, oh my gosh.
I'd like to let it sit there.